Alright, I got my fishing kit here. Here's a torpedo bobber, and I've got a fly about 3 feet below it. I'll show you guys how I cast this thing. So just get a little swing on it, give it a loop-de-loop, and let her fly. Get it out there in the current. Hopefully I can get one of these cutthroat trout to hit it. So this is how we reel it in. Oh, I got one. There's a fish.
Where's the bobber?
But it's a little cutthroat. This goes to show you that it's good to get out and test some of the stuff that you make. Make sure you can actually use it. Well, looks like that little cutthroat made it back on its own, but again, here we go. That's all we got. My little peanut jar fishing kit. Did the trick. Could have saved my life if I was starving. This is Birch Bark Johnny signing out.